In this video, I'll show you the best fees for Axiom Pro, including gas fees, bribe, slippage, and Mev protection. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. And by using my link, you're going to get a 10% discount on all your trading fees for life. Once you click that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You're going to come right over here and click on Start Trading. Make sure Keys shows up right over here under invite code. That'll make sure that you get that discount. And then you can simply sign up with your email, Gmail, or by connecting your Phantom wallet. But once you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And we're going to go right down here to the bottom left of the screen and click on Presets. That's going to bring up your trading settings where you can adjust your fees. Now, to find the best fees for the current market conditions, it's super simple. We're going to come right down here to the bottom and it's going to tell you the recommended fees for the current market conditions. So right now it recommends for gas fee 0.002. So you just come right over here and fix that. Gas fee equals priority fee. And right here for the bribe, again, 0.01. We would do the same thing for sell. And right here for slippage, I usually recommend going with 30. For buy, depending on the tokens you're going after. The more volatile the coin, the more volume, the higher your slippage you might want to put. Slippage in meme coin trading is the difference between the expected price of the meme coin when you place a trade versus the actual price when your trade gets executed. So for example, if your slippage is only at 10 and when you place your trade, the price jumps 30%, your order isn't going to get filled. But if you have it at 30 and it jumps up 30%, you're still going to get filled. The same thing goes for sell settings. The only thing is I recommend having a higher number for sell just in case a coin is tanking. If you have low slippage, it's going to be very hard for you to get out of that coin. You want to get out of that coin with as much of your money as possible. So the higher the slippage, the more wiggle room you have to get out of that trade. Right over here for Mev reduction, it's recommended to have it on, especially if you're trading with a higher portfolio. But if you're trading with a small port, I recommend having it off. It basically just prevents you from getting front run, which means there are bots that can actually tell when you make a trade and they will actually buy in before you with higher fees. And then when your order gets filled, they'll just sell on you. But 9 times out of 10, it's not going to happen, especially if you're going with a small portfolio or a small trade. Save your money. And that's basically it. That's how to find the best trading fees for Axiom Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.